What are you saying?
You're really changing, like, I mean, the glow, everything. Are you sure something has not
Something has not what?
entered now?
Nothing is entering. Just stop it. And nothing will enter until I am done with school. I don't want to be pregnant while going to school. Pico.
But you know it's a good thing. After all, you're a married woman. Why are you sounding like this? For me, I suggest you go and run some tests to be sure.
Well, you're not far from the truth, but let's go to lecture, Biko. Stop this nonsense talk. Enough of this. Let's go.
I know what I'm saying.
You don't know what you're saying. You don't know what you're saying. Hey, how did you solve that?
There you are. I've been worried since when you told me that you're just off for two lectures. See what you're showing up.
I'm sorry, ended up having 5 lectures and I didn't want to miss any.
You should have at least called me. You should have called me. Leave a message or something. Communicate.
Hips, calm down. You're shouting.
I'm not shouting, I'm worried.
You're shouting and you're scaring the baby.
What baby? What are you talking about? Oh, we don't have a baby in this house. Sweetheart, come on now, get serious.
Well, today in school, one of my classmates was teasing me that my body is changing and that I was looking pregnant. And of course, I wasn't pregnant. I'm not pregnant. Well, out of curiosity, I decided to have a test done.
What?
And
what? Come on. Chi? Say something. What is going on?
It happens that I'm pregnant.
You don't say. Hold on.
That's what the test says.
You're not playing with me now, are you?
Of course I'm not.
Chi. What you're carrying?
Your child.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
I wasn't so sure of how you were going to react.
I'm over the moon. I'm happy. Come here. What we're expecting so early, huh?
It happens that way.
See, I keep telling you that you're a special gift to me, but you won't listen to me. Huh? See how God is blessing us so early.
I'm so happy.
Aren't we so lucky?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Come here, baby. Kiss me one more time.
So it's more active now. You know, my mother was complaining about her. I was like, it's better than having someone than not having anyone at all.
Where's that? Hello. Good day. How are you? I'm fine. God bless you. How are things with you? I thank God. I know that you're here in line with our last discussion when I told you to come and see me. Wednesday, you know that they say that good things come to those who wait. But I will tell you that better things come to those who work for it. I want you to begin to take your business seriously. You're not doing enough. But if you do better, things will get better for you.
Exactly.
So it's not enough to advise you without support. And so I have decided to support you with a token I made out a check of 2 million naira for you. Please sit.
2 million? 2 million naira for me?
Yes.
My God will bless you.
Thank you.
Chioma, 2 million for me. Thank you very much.
It's fine.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I thank you. My God will bless you.
Down,
My God will bless you.
Sit down.
2 million naira.
You're embarrassed. That is embarrassing. Get up. And that is not all. What is it? I want you to know that it is time you begin to think of setting up a family structure, you know. Get a wife. Begin to have your own children. I'm not asking you to take what I have given you to set up a family. No. I'm saying that if you find a good woman, one who can hold your home together, pick a date, and I'll take care of everything concerning your marriage. It's all on me.
I don't know how to thank you.
Where is it?
I don't know how to thank you.
I thank you too. It's fine.
Thank you, my Lord. God bless you.
Kneeling down.
Chioma,
It's okay.
God bless you. God bless you.
It's okay, Papa.
2 million for me. God, I thank you. What?
Where is it?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. My God will bless you. No evil will befall you.
Amen. Amen.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I want you to take care of yourself. I want you to take care of me. I don't want you unhappy, okay? You want something, you know I left you a lot of money in that account. It can buy you anything. You get bored, call your friend, call Jane, go out, have fun, go somewhere, go shopping, anything to distract you and make you happy, baby. I need you to take care of the baby. You have to give me your word.
I will. But baby, I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
I don't know how I'm going to stay this long without you.
Long? I'm not gone for long, baby. It's a short trip now. Huh?
A day without you is a long time.
True, I hear you. Likewise. A day without you is terrible, but I have to work.
I understand.
You promise to be good? Don't sulk now. Come on now.
Always.
Come here. Promise me you'll be good.
I will.
You sure?
Baby, I'll miss you.
Of course I'll
Please
miss
stay
you.
more.
Well, now you sound like I'm going away forever. I'm just gone for a few months now. Come on. I'll miss you too, okay? I'll miss you. Remember what I told you about driving? Don't forget.
I won't.
You won't?
I will not. And you too, don't forget to call me.
If I don't call you, who else would I call?
Always.
Yes, every day actually.
Okay. Start going before you miss your flight.
Are you sure you want me to go?
I don't want you to go.
But I have to go. I have to go, baby. Okay.
I know.
So he will drop me off and then bring the
Car
car
back.
back. So you try not to sleep off so that he can reach you on phone.
Is that how much I sleep?
Well, you're not that bad, but sometimes you're that way.
I will sleep.
Hey, I put the bag in the car. Okay, you know what? I get in the car and I call you.
Okay, you get to the airport to go.
Yes.
Before you go.
After I call, I call. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You didn't go.
From grace to grace, no more mama put. like play, condition a change go, a change go, a change go, condition a change go, total turn around. If you like change go, a change go, condition a change go, total turn around. Abumanye nature me chichama, abumanye chimu nature me chichama, onye njodi kamo, onye nature me chichama, abumanye onye nature me chichama. Mama put mama ni libaga, mama put jara for me, anymore. Inasi no chase, mama ni libaga. Onye kai pusi mwa na chukwelo taganyo. Oh, akachukubiyo.
Shoma. How are you?
I'm fine,
You look good with this pregnancy.
Exactly.
It fits you.
Thank you.
So how have you been?
It's not been easy.
I know. How have you been managing school and, pregnancy?
Let me help you. So
Story
you
of
won't put
another
yourself.
day.
Okay.
Really? And you're not supposed to be wearing any really thing.
I'm comfortable.
You don't have to shut. Be mute. Please, when next you're coming or traveling anywhere, don't.
I will.
Just put on something flat.
I
Come on,
will.
we'll think about it.
Can we just go in already? How are you? I'm fine.
So how's school?
Fine.
And other things? Your mom, your dad, My dear, I can understand, but very soon now you'll deliver of your baby and you'll be free once again to attend to class and everything. But need I remind you that marriage is the beginning of unsettled life? Because once the baby comes, it's either you attending to the baby, or to your husband, or to house chores, or to school. So just be ready.
So you know all this, mother?
My friend, won't you go and marry? Get married and become a real woman like her.
Your Majesty, actually, it's not easy.
I know.
Sometimes I miss lectures out of laziness. And I've missed a lot. I really can't wait.
Really? My goodness. Why can't you beg your friends to be helping you in class to avoid multiple carryover? I know why I'm saying this.
I do. In fact, they do. But they can do as much as they can. They won't do everything for me.
It's true.
I
Some things
can't
require
wait
your
to
attention.
pump this baby out.
Calm down. In due time, the baby will come.
Very soon.
Your Majesty.
It's alright. Is he heavy?
Jane.
Keep asking, is it heavy? Is it heavy?
Soon.
How soon?
Hello, babes.
Good morning, baby. How are you and the baby?
I'm fine. You're fine. How are you?
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Babe, there's this feeling this sharp pain.
You know what? Calm down and just breathe, okay? Who else is in the house with you?
Amaka is around. She came in.
She came in last night. She came in last night.
Can you dress up and just get her to take you to the hospital?
Amaka!
I already packed a few things for you. I don't know if you can find it. I'll be heading home in a few weeks. Okay, please. I'm gonna mark out right now to help you.
Sorry, let's go to the hospital. Easy. Let me rest. Let's go. Oh God, my back is on fire. My waist is on fire. Rub it for me. I can't go down. Wait. Be good. I'm tired. Catch my breath. On my back. Let's go.
No, help me take the bag upstairs. Yeah, honey? Come on home. Sweetheart! Chi? What's going on now? But she knows says I'm returning today. Sweetheart, hey. I'm home. What do you mean? I might not call you with my Nigerian number. Where are you? Are you in the house or you're playing tricks on me? You are the palace. What's happening at the palace? Okay, hold on. My mom is there as well. I see. It's fine. They came to get you. Okay, I understand. You're forgiving. Of course. I'll have to be there and come see you. You know what? Just wait for me at the car.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. Yes, I'm here. I can hear you. Okay, not a problem. You know what? Let me just freshen up. I'll make sure. Okay? Stop screaming. I know you're excited to help you back again. Okay? I'll see you in a bit. Alright. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Here's my cup of coffee.
Yeah. I see. You see, we would have to pray for this child and give the child our royal blessings.
Okay.
You will live long.
Say.
May the reason why you came be accomplished.
Say.
May the gods continue to bless you.
Say.
Your coming will bring more blessings into this family.
Say.
You shall be a bridge builder.
Say.
An exemplary child.
Say.
Morning, sir.
Yeah, morning.
Sir, I've been willing to see you. But you're usually not in the country. And that makes it very difficult for me to see you. And I also travel for evangelism most times. But I'm sure you don't know me.
Oh, come on, I know you. You're my neighbor. I see you once in a while.
I'm glad you know me. Is that your son?
Oh, yes. Taking him to school.
I may say he's not. A DNA test might prove you wrong.
Madam, please. What is this an insult?
No, not at all. It's just that...
It's just that I find what you have just said offensive.
I'm sorry if you do, but there's this particular young man I used to see that comes around your house when you're not in the country. And then... the way I don't know who that young man is to your wife, but the manner in which I see the both of them, sir, is not good at all. The reason why I ask if you're the real father of this boy is because when your wife was pregnant, the said man sleeps in your house. And on many occasions I've seen them.
I told you that I would take care of you till death do us part. Despite the fact that someone is somewhere, but I'm yours, you are mine. I feel you.
Who's there? Open the gate.
Who is that?
It's a neighbor.
Open it! It's open.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
We're contributing money to repair something that got spoiled in our transformer, so I'll be able to restore our lights.
Oh, okay. How much is it?
2,000 per building.
2,000. Baby.
Yes, dear.
Please, go to the bedroom on the drawer. There is money there. Just give me 2,000 naira.
Okay.
Okay, that's why we've not had lights.
Yes. Transformer is bad.
That's bad. Thank you. I'm here.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome, man.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Please lock the gate on your way out.
No problem.
No, just a minute. Come and carry me now. Sit down.
Just a minute.
Why are you scared now? What's your problem?
Scared.
I should be the one scared. Sit down.
I wanted to tell you that. Change position.
What did you say?
I was even asking myself, is this woman not married? What is she doing? I even said I was going to keep to myself. Because people will start asking me, oh, what business of yours is that? But you see, the spirit of repentance in me will not allow me to keep quiet. What she's doing it's an abomination. The Bible calls it adultery.
All of this happening, eh? Because I traveled to put food on the table. And all of this happening under my roof. Because I traveled to put food on the table.
Not only that, when your wife was pregnant, I thought it was all over. Only for me to sit at my veranda and see her with the same man romancing in the compound.
Thank you.
Are you feeling something?
Feeling much better. Baby, don't start to. Don't wake me up.
Baby, you know what? I'm just thinking. I'll suggest if we poison this guy. I mean, poison him and sell off his properties and travel out after school. What is it? What is it?
Ifeanyi,
Yes, love.
don't you ever in your life give me that kind of advice. What is wrong with you? I mean, that is wickedness. I mean, this guy has never done anything wrong to me, so why would I want to kill him? The only thing he has done is to be nice to me and my family, and now you want me to kill him?
My dear, I did not say kill him.
Ifeanyi, that is exactly what you just said now. And please, let this be the last time you say it.
I'm sorry. I didn't say we should. I said if. It's a clause that I said if. I suggest
if not that I cannot get you off my mind, we won't be doing this. Don't you know that what we're doing is wrong? You should be contented with where you are and what you have.
No. Let me understand it. Did you say that what we are doing is wrong?
Am I not somebody's wife?
Are you not my wife? You're my wife first. We started something before he came.
Ifeanyi, I am not your wife. I am somebody's wife, not your wife.
Okay. So no
for the fact that my husband is not around and I cannot get you off my head does not mean you take advantage of me like that.
I am sorry. I accept. But at least I am a deputy. Yes, a deputy husband. He's not here, but I'm here. It's okay, it's alright. It's alright. No problem. No, now. I said if.
If what? Stop ifing. Stop ifing. Don't even think of it.
It's alright. I'm sorry. It's alright. Yeah.
In fact, I'm not
sorry.
I'm not even.
No. Let me put you in the mood. My dear, come now. Wow. My love, how are you doing?
Fine.
I just want to make it clean. Make it clean and pure.
I see. But you've wasted so much time on this.
Seems you need me in the bedroom.
Who else will I need if it's you I will need now?
Yes. At least the baby needs some olive oil for a safety swimming.
That's true.
Safety swimming.
If you come, let's go. Leave this guy.
Later you just call me daddy. You just call me daddy.
No. If you what is it?
Not let me watch you.
Come, let's go.
Wow, my baby.
You, sir, you just need to take heart, you know? Be a man. Just be a man. Be a man. You know, goodness is a character from birth. It cannot be changed. It's only Jehovah that can pay you for your good works. So just be in control. Be in control. Please, do not do anything. Please, sir.
No, I want to know what I have done wrong. This country is hard. And a few of us must travel once in a while to make ends meet. And then she brings a man to our home.
Please, sir. Just continue your good works. It's only Jehovah that will pay you. Please, sir, be in control. Please do not do anything stupid. Have a good day, sir.
This is serious. How can I believe this story? Can somebody tell me this is not true? My God began my one more. I can't believe this. Very shameful. This is painful. I thought she's an angel. I thought she's an angel. Oh, my love, I'm getting Kameregi. Come to Chutana. Egua. When I didn't answer, when it was.
Babes, what is it? Why are you staring at me? What happened?
The wave have become turbulent, Chama. And for the wave to become still, the truth would have to be told.
Baby, what are you talking about? Please, why are you crying?
It's okay, it's okay. I'm going to ask you this one time. Do you bring a man into this house when I'm out of town?
Baby. Of course, no. I mean, where is this question coming from? Baby, this is absurd. Like, I don't know where you're... Why would you even be asking me such question? Why are you quiet? Babes, why are you not talking to me? Why would you even be asking me a question like that? You know I wouldn't do such a thing.
This is serious. How can I believe this story?
Baby, you're crying.
This is not true. I can't believe this. Very shameful. This is painful. I thought she's an angel. I thought she's an angel. Oh, my love.
Hello. How can a young girl be so loved and yet she messed up everything? Who is the boy? I mean, who is that boy? And come to think of it, she had the temerity to bring a boy into her husband's house. How? Obinna, we must find out who that boy is and ask him salient questions. Where is your wife?
She's at home.
The paternity of that child is very, very important. It will aid us to know who really owns the child. But meanwhile, please, be civil about this.
You touch my breast, Polycarp. You will tell me why you touch my breast. See, woman in a package. I have been warning you since today. You must tell me why you touch my breast.
You have to relax, relax. Uzo, relax. First of all, remove your hand. Remove your hand from his clothes. Designers. This is a man, oh. This is a man. Because I want us to settle this matter in peace, not in pieces. Because if you want it in pieces, this man look like a Goliath. In fact, this man is a final consumer. He can consume you to the grave. So I advise you to remove your hand gradually from his cloth. This is expensive cloth.
Expired mechanic, who called you in this case?
Huh?
You can listen. I didn't get it. Let him try it. No. Monica, slap me, beat me.
What is your breast? What is your breast?
Wait. If you not see my brother here tomorrow, beat me now.
Wait.
Come here, beat me.
Wait, I'm seeing somebody's corpse. I'm seeing somebody's corpse in the mortuary. Because if I raise this my hand up, somebody will die. See, let me tell you, that's your brother. That is Janyisi. In a nyako, that carrying that wheelbarrow. That engine, that motor with that engine. See, let me tell you, if that your brother comes here, we will squeeze him.
Yes, he has a car. Do you have?
I'm making this your breast. Come. Hey!
What is happening here?
Yes, sir. We are working.
Thank God we are here, Gapon. I was on my own. This second expired mechanic come and press my breast. Yes. And this is not the first time. This is not the second time you'll be looking at my breast and be licking his mouth like this as if he wants to enter inside me.
Hold on. Which of them exactly?
This one, this particular one.
Polycarp. Did you press her breast?
No, sir. This is just what I did. I just touched the breast. The breast was like it's falling, so I said, let me raise it up as a good senator.
Yes, sir.
Shut up! You were even touching the breast before me.
All you do here is touch woman breast.
New one. Hey!
If it's carburetor too.
Touch woman breast.
Just the breast was like.
Shut up! You are crazy. Did you come to this workshop to start pressing breast? Instead of you to come down and learn the job, you are looking at the woman breast and you are licking your mouth. You are licking your mouth, looking at breast and be licking your mouth.
Shut up!
All I did was touch breast.
I'm going to leave him today. I must touch his
breast was falling.
Yes, the breast was falling before.
It was falling. I said
the breast was falling.
Calm down.
No.
Calm down.
After pressing my own, then you suspend him.
Uzama, calm down. Just imagine this boy. Is it not the same way you were following Uzama in her dream?
Want to shift
and do.
Hey.
Instead of both of you to learn work, you will go and be. You people want to kill this Uzama. This is what you want to press. This is what I want to do. What type of nonsense is this?
Stop that.
Okay, leave him first now. Leave him. Your touch. Leave him. He touched your breast, huh?
Yeah, like this.
Okay, fine. So touch his own breast.
Yes, sir.
So that everything touch his own breast. Okay. Look at his breast. Look at it. Just press his own so that there will not be any issue.
God bless you, sir.
Press what? Where is the breast that you want me to press? You say you are a good boss. Where is the breast? I'm not seeing any breast though. I want to touch his own obrocos. That's where I want to touch.
Wait. You want to touch obrocos?
Simple, just touch.
I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Help me and pray now.
Okay. Since you touch his breast, her breast, and you say you touch your obrocos, I touch.
Oga, please, this girl.
Stay one place. Touch.
She will make me impotent, Oga.
You are crazy. Why did you go to her breast first?
Only breast. Oga, one of the breast was like it's falling, so I wanted to raise it up.
Hey! But
if
you talk too much, you touch your own.
Have you been bringing another man into our home?
Honey, and I said no. I don't know where you got this idea from. The only people that have been coming here are my family members, my cousins. Just that.
Your family?
Yes.
Your family?
Honey, do you know me as a liar? You've known me. Have I ever lied to you?
Your
family.
What's going on? Just...
Your family?
Yes. My family. You know me, it's me.
Hello, where is it? Yes, how are you? Oh no, I'm okay. Where is it? Listen, I want to know how many times have you come to visit your sister in my house since I married her? Once? Oh, once. Oh no, nothing. Thank you.
Who is it?
Chike. Hello, Chikelwe, how are you? I'm very well, thank you. Chikelwe, I'd like to know, have you ever taken time off to come visit my wife in my absence, sometimes when I travel? Oh, you have never? I see. You prefer to be here when I'm around. Okay. I got you. You have never. It's fine.
Honey. Actually, no. Nobody comes. Nobody. I was mistaking the ones they used to come when you were around.
Really?
Yes, I was mistaken. Hey, I don't know.
Hello, Amaka. Yes. I want you to leave whatever it is that you're doing and come to my place at once. Oh yes, it's urgent. Thank you. Who is this man that you have been bringing into our matrimonial home each time I travel? Don't lie to me again. Tell me. Bring me to this house. Shoma. Why? Who is this man? Who is he?
Mistress, you called. What happened?
Amaka, am I a bad person?
No, you are not.
What have I not done for your sister since I met her? What have I not done for your family?
You've done everything for us.
Your sister brings a man into this house every time I travel. Together they spend my money, eat my food, paint the town red in my car, come back into this house and fornicate on our matrimonial bed. Amaka, as you speak, I don't know anymore. I'm not even sure that a child we have is mine. I have done everything for your sister, but she chooses to betray me like this in the most hurtful and disrespectful way. Shoma, what have I not done for you?
The child. It's our child. It's...
Chioma.
Sister.
I hope this man he is talking about is not the same man I have warned you of severally. Chioma, I warned you severally to leave Ifeanyi. I told you that he will ruin your life. Chioma, why did you find out what you're missing? Chioma, I told you to leave Ifeanyi. Inwolubi. Chioma, do you want to kill our father? Can you listen to yourself? That part is not true. Now, but if I didn't know, hey! Chomi Laputagomo! Chomi Bugomo! Agwalungi agwa, rapu Ifeanyi gachiputa your besi. I told you to leave that useless boy. It's not Ifeanyi kayimwa. Omego. Chioma Omego! If I'm going to get Omego, Naya Kopota, Kopota, Bagoni Ruefi. We sent you to school to go and study, Chioma. It's not you okay, Kagima. Now that useless boy has ruined your life. After everything that the prince did for you and our family. Chioma! Chioma! Hey! Hey! Come here. This young man brought us out from it. iwe si na ndụ ntala aka gị mma. Hey! What will I tell my father? What will I tell my father? My father will kill himself. Hey, Jesus.
Choma.
Sir.
Choma. You're going to rush forward and call that young man and tell him to come here. Choma, if you refuse to do it, I am going to snuff the life out of you. Choma, I will see your time. Am I a bad person?
You are not.
Do I deserve this?
Okay, I'm calling him. I'm calling him. Let me tell you. His number is not going to. Oh, let me try it again. No. I'm fine. I need you. No. I was watching the TV. Yes. You should come right away. Yes, come now. Okay. Yes, no. I'm fine. I'm expecting you. Oh, okay. I've called you. Please, I can't explain. I cannot explain.
This is serious. How can I believe this story? Somebody tell me this is not true. My God began I can't believe this is painful. I thought she's an angel. I thought she's an angel.
I am sorry, sir. Jesus. Hey, God.
Is that the man?
It was even your coming back that separated them. And I also heard that Chioma's father went to beat the boy up and removed Chioma from the hostel. Though he had accident when that happened. So he was crippled. He could no longer monitor his child. And Chioma packed her bag and went back to the boy. Brother, many things are happening in our campuses these days. The rate of abortion which young girls commit these days is something else. What a sad story. Chioma of all people. For real, I'm so disappointed. Seriously.
That girl didn't do well at all. She didn't. I mean, she didn't even consider her family and everything her husband did for them. She deceived Tobina here with her looks. I mean, if she knew she was not interested in this marriage, she would have come out straight and possibly continue with her student boyfriend.
She'll be fine or she'll free.
But no. She's big enough to know what's bad and what's good. But she lured my brother on. Obinna, why didn't you allow the police to arrest her alongside her student boyfriend?
Oh, well, the DPO advised against that because of the child, so the baby. But also told me that as soon as I find someone that can take care of Ndemeka, but I still want her arrested, then he will send his boys.
That is not an excuse, brother. I can take care of the child. Yes, because